Hey everyone, Mr. Tess here. Got another review for you from TOZO. This is the TOZO W1. It's a wireless charger, 15 watt max wireless charger. So basically just plop your phone down on this disc after plugging it in by USB-C. So we're gonna check this thing out. Price is nice. It's right now 11 bucks. Usually it's 12.99 with a limited time deal. Looks like it comes in white, black, and some other colors. As you know, I have a bunch of TOZO products. They've all held up well. They do exactly what they're supposed to, so I'm not expecting any different from this one. But let's go ahead and get into it and see what we've got. So this is the TOZO 2024 updated wireless charger, 15 watt max, compatible with iPhones, Androids, anything with the wireless charging. Pretty much, and again up to 15 watt, but different speeds depending on what the phone is capable of or the charger that you've got connected to it. You can see their graphics here and also my graphics off to the side there. Solid build, 15 watt for Google Pixel using the quick charge not included, or 10 watt for Samsung 10 watt charge mode. Just depends on what the phone's capable of. USB-C charging port. Foreign object detection. That's an interesting one, where if you have some metal nearby, it doesn't turn it on. Anti-slip pads, really thin at 5 millimeters, 0.2 inch. Let's open this up, see what we're dealing with. Make sure to hit that like and subscribe also. I appreciate it, so we keep more content coming. So this is what you get. TOZO W1 wireless charger. On the back, some of that same information. Looks like it actually has a plethora of color options here. This should be black. And let's see what's going on in the box. Ooh, if I can, I don't think that's how you're supposed to open it. I don't know. We'll see. Let's get the plastic wrap off first, and then we'll see what the world has for us. Yeah. So I have a lot of TOZO headphones. I use different ones for different items. Yeah, that does open. Okay, let's open that up. So inside you will get, ta-da, a little instruction manual. And this should be a pretty easy, straightforward thing. Looks like it does have an 18-month warranty here. Try to get that in the reflection. So if you scan the QR code, not that I think this has any reason or any need that would break. It does come with a USB-A to USB-C cable there. And that's the disc. It's not heavy, it's light. Peel a little cover off there. Pretty big size too. Some of these that I've seen in the past have been a little smaller. It does have those rubber feet. TOZO W on the bottom there. Let's go ahead and plug this in via USB. I had a C2C cable, which is what I'm going to use for right now. Looks like it does light up a little bit there. See the green. And put our phone on. And my phone is currently fully charged. So that does not help you with seeing that it needs to charge, but you do see it lights up there to charge. And that's it. That's all you do to use the phone. You place your phone and boom, you're ready to charge. So if you're looking for a wireless conduction charger, that's a nice little disc. You can keep it in a bag. You can take it to work, take it wherever you need. Check out the TOZO W1 and at 12 bucks, 11 bucks. Can't really go wrong. Till next time, thanks.